Hi, how are you? I'm Professor Jose Mendoza. Welcome to this course. I know that I'm going to be teaching in the middle of the course, but I wanted to record this video just to say hello and just to start preparing for our upcoming classes next Monday on July the 19th. In this course, we're going to use software, right, in order to do visualizations and do a bunch of really cool stuff. Now, in order to do that, you need to have access to the software. And the software I chose for you is SAS. We have been doing work with SAS for several years at Sacred Heart. For like 5 years or so, I've been working with them in a continuous basis. I like the software. I think you're going to like the software as well. We're going to use a product from SAS called Viya. It's called SAS Viya. So it's a cloud-based analytical software. It's very, very powerful. It has artificial intelligence built into it. So you can create decision tree models, you can create machine learning models, and also really awesome data visualizations as well. So and everything is within the same interface, so that will be interesting for us. Now, in order to get access to the software, you need to go to this link, and I will be presenting the link in Blackboard, so you can get directly from Blackboard. But also part of this video as well, I'm showing you what the link is going to be. I'm aware that you are in Luxembourg. I'm in the United States. That's why the interface and the screen might look a little bit different than yours. But regardless of that, try using the same link I'm placing there. If you Google SAS Viya for Learners, in Europe you might go to a different page. Yeah, so just for the sake of consistency, please type the link I'm placing in the video right now. So the first thing is that you're gonna go and click access for the students. You need, in order to get access to this version of SAS Viya for Learners, you have to use your Sacred Heart email, and that your Sacred Heart email ends in mail.sacredheart.edu. So whatever email you have is at mail.sacredheart.edu. I'm not sure if you can use your Luxembourg email. I know that you have another email which is basically the same email that ends in hu.lu. I don't believe you can use that. You can try. If you're having any issues, you're having problems, please use your Sacred Heart email that ends in mail.sacredheart.edu. Whatever username you have, type at mail.sacredheart.edu. And you're gonna, the first time, I'm assuming that this is the first time that you're using SAS Viya, so just create a profile. Creating a profile, just as I will click here just to show you how it looks like. Just enter your basic information to the best of your abilities. Your affiliation with SAS is a student, and your company organization is Sacred Heart University. And click that, and you will receive an email with your profile. I have heard that it sometimes the email goes to your spam or to your junk mail folder, so just be mindful of that, that if you don't receive an email within an hour or a couple of hours, it might be there. So just check in your junk folder or your spam folder. If not, just please let me know. I have office hours and we can go over that. So after you do that, you're gonna get your credentials. So you're gonna log in like this, right, with your password. Now you're gonna notice I will get an error, and the error is because my account is registered as a professor. So when I click sign in, I will get an error. So in your case, you will not. So you will be fine, more than fine. So just click there, and you will have access to SAS Viya. You're gonna see an interface. You're gonna see something like this, yeah. And this is the software that we're gonna be using. It's called SAS Viya for Learners 3.5. This one right here. By the way, now that you have a profile with SAS, just congratulations by that. Now you have access to all the SAS educational software that is free. You're gonna go here. We call this little icon on the upper left corner, we call it a hamburger. I don't know why they call it that way, but every time that we want somebody to click here, we say click in on the hamburger. So now here you can see all the courses. You will not see this as a course because it's something that we have created specifically for you. But if you have Vaster, this is where you access all of them. So this is the SAS Viya for Learners. This is the one that you have to click on. We're going to go over these steps again on the 19th, on July the 19th. But be mindful that you have to have a profile before the class, so that way we can go and move forward very quickly. So it's not a complicated process. It's actually very easy. There is no software to install. There is nothing other than just creating a profile, waiting for the email confirmation, and creating your password, and then signing into the platform. But try to do it, a few days in advance, just in case you have any problem. Just please let me know. Also, this is the Blackboard. All the communication that we are going to have is going to be via Blackboard. That's as per university requirements. So I put a link at the beginning called Introduce Yourself. I will appreciate you click that for the first time. Again, you will need to use your secretary email in order to get access to it. So I suggest do that. And Flipgrid is a tool that we use, especially with these online courses. It is a way that we can get to see each other and interact each other before courses, before classes. So just go there, click, and record yourself. Just introduce yourself and tell us, not just me, tell the class who you are, what is your experience with data science, whether you have used SAS Viya before, and if there is anything that you want us to know about you, like you are interested in something very specific, just let us know to see how can we accommodate that for you. So over here, I know that Professor Castagnan is not using this, but I put all my content in folders. So the folder that is relevant for our next class on July the 19th is Module 5. I am aware that by then you're going to have 4 classes already. This is going to be your 5th class. So here I put all my classes organized by week. So you're going to find all the content there. All the assignments are in this folder. You can click in this folder as well to see the course syllabus, so that way you can have an idea of what is coming, grading and all that stuff. Remember that also the material, the books for SAS Viya, they are also free. In the syllabus I placed the link. I wrote a link for you, so you can go and get the books free. They're in the PDF format. They're free. You're fine with a PDF. If you prefer a printed copy, then you have to probably get it from Amazon or buy it somewhere else. If you're fine with a PDF, then it's going to be free. So I very much look forward to meet you. Our classes, by the way, are going to be via Zoom. So here is a Zoom to this. Here is the link to Zoom. That's where the classes are going to happen. Are going to be face to face, but via using technology. We're going to connect at your local time. I believe it's 6:30 your local time. I'll have to double check whether it's 6 or 6:30, but it's going to be fine with me. So I'm not going to be in the classroom in Luxembourg, unfortunately. I'm going to be connecting from Connecticut. But if you have any questions, if you have any concerns, by all means, please let me know. I have office hours. I normally have office hours from Monday to Friday. If you need a specific time, just let me know. Otherwise, we can connect anytime between 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the US. I can accommodate to your time, that's fine with me. So this is also, again, this is Professor Mendoza. Welcome to the course, and I very much look forward to meet you soon. Thank you.